Good evening, the 26th of June, and good morning, 27th of June in Australasia. Just having a quick look at where SPIX is. We've come through this sort of middling period of hedging being held until it's really sort of opened up and dropped out on Monday. I mean, not everyone bought the bottom, but there was quite a strong bottom there, some strong bottom buying that went on into Friday. We can see that through the week it was into that close that it really started to pick up, and then it's taken off from there. Let's have a look at what retail was doing. Retail was a bit the same. They bought hard in the close, but then really through Monday there was this stronger buy, and that's been followed through. NDX not so much. The NDX has been up and down. It's had some strong periods. It had a good close on Friday and on Monday, and then it really sat before it took off again during the week. Let's have a look at the Qs. Qs, again, they were fairly middling, really didn't take off until Monday afternoon, and then they've really shot off. Yes, we've had a lower period. I think there was just a lot more surface buying. Where that's probably actually seen is that we've seen the MAG take off again. And interestingly, I was just looking through the two big tech ETFs that I like, or ETNs that I like, ETFs. The MAG has been very interesting because here we can see on the Friday, if I'm in the 30 minutes, or even if I went to the 10 minutes on Friday last, in the 10 minutes, we can see that it really did start to buy on the Friday. There was some good buying on the Friday into the close, and there was a couple of periods of that. And then it's really stuck at it in the mags, a little bit middling through the centre of the week, and then some buying, but then it's really taken off again. And although we had a bit of a stalled day today, it really went reasonably hard. But in comparison, let's have a look at this. This is the FANGs, and the FANGs have been, quite different. They had a good drop into the end of May, going into the start of June, and then they had this very clear stay out before their buying was really quite strong through the end of the week into the start of this week, and it's just stayed that way. We're only really just starting to come off the bottom now, and we might start to see some topping out, but we'll really be concerned until we see some more changes in the open interest. The open interest at the moment, the market is, there has been quite a lot of profit taking, but there's no real signs of hedging going into Friday. I hope you have a good day's trading. It's looking like it's still all pretty green at the moment. I can't see anything on the horizon that's going to change that. Have a good end to the week's trading, and I'll speak to you over the weekend.